That is not a... Ooh, okay. Please give us a machete. I know that's not gonna happen, but... Okay, I'll take that. I'll take that. Okay, that's not too bad. Alright, let's equip that. Let's read that. Let's check out this. Got the trash can. Okay, there's another crate. Oh, let's go. Got a knife. A hunting knife. Welcome guys back to another video, and today we are going to be working on getting a forge, and we are going to be also, I believe, collecting resources later on, but for now we are going to be doing quest in the meantime because we need to buff up and get a bike. It is day 4. Blood moon can be on day 7, day 8, 9, or 10, so we got to be very careful. Let's take care of these few zombies. That was a miss in a sentry. If there's another guy, but I'm gonna go out for him. Another businessman. Okay. Now, I'll take care of her. Luckily, with this hunting knife we found, it's very, very beneficial. You don't have to worry about zombies as much now because the hunting knife has good knockback. And good damage. Unless we miss. Alright. Let's go ahead and walk through the front door. Okay, good. We got the camp symbol on it. Cool. So, we are gonna go ahead and sell these items that we got because we need money. I don't know when the trader restocks. I'm hoping it's today, though.
You think you're pretty smart now, don't you? Here's your pay, Einstein.
I say we'll take the meat. You're gonna need the food. Ooh. 20% bolts from the target. I think we'll take the Ranger's Guide. Let's check for a job. We'll do the dead roosters will give us. Okay, we're gonna do the dead roosters. That'll give us feathers and food.
Or you just here to piss
Sell
me
these. And I think he did restock today. Okay, he has wrenches for sale. We could buy one. Jars of honey. One of these cannot be that good. Nothing else too good. And he's pretty useless again.
That's all you're gonna buy?
We'll eat one of the meats because our food is down. Alright guys, I'm gonna meet you at the next job. Alright, hello guys, we are back. Just found this in a mailbox. Crippling shot. If they can't run, they won't get away. Leg shots cripple all but the strongest enemies and have a chance to dismember. I don't know which path we're gonna go with for the guns yet. I honestly really do not know. We will see about that in the future because we could either do rifle, assault rifle, pistols. Well, I guess I said we're gonna go pistols, so never mind. I changed my mind. Let's go ahead. No, let's shoot her with the arrow. Just to follow him with the arrow. And then there's another zombie right over here. Okay, I'm gonna double loot this place just for the chicken and the feathers. So, you guys are gonna have to bear witness me double loot. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, I still wanted... Okay, sneaking is never an option. That was a little slow reaction. Okay, let's do that. Phew! Dude, I have not been overloaded by a zombie like that in a while now. It's been a bit. Last time that happened, I got slaughtered. Okay, let's search this. We will take that. Usually I would put that into a bandage, but we don't have enough. I don't think we have enough medical supplies. No, we don't. We need one more, then we'll be able to do it. Okay. I'm also aware that we need leather for that forge that that I'm planning to make later. Let's go ahead. Okay. Cash. Any chickens up here hiding away? No, they're not. Okay, they're all going to be downstairs. I'm going to eat the second piece of meat, and then we are going to drop this. Honestly, scrap this, not drop it. And then we'll keep everything else. Okay, those chickens are sadly going to escape. Probably anyways. Don't you go after my chicken. Oh my goodness. Okay, one thing that I just realized, we need repair kits. A zombie up here? Yeah, he is. There. Okay, there we go. Okay, we took some damage from this building. Dang it. Why'd you have to fall back that far? Now I gotta break this. Come on. The hell? Oh. Also, when we go to activate the new rally, well, the rally point for the quest, we're going to put in some skill points because I forgot to do that. Okay, let's go ahead and loot the main stash. Take the run speed over that. Take the coyote book. That will make us do 10% more damage to coyotes. Now we can make that first aid we were just talking about. And then we'll just open this up and we'll go ahead and loot this place again. Handyman and then oils. Okay, let's get up. I knew there was a dog. I was like, I swore there was dogs back here. Okay, that'll reset. Okay, we need... Oh, okay. Alright. Changed my mind. I don't want to scrap that, guys. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and make 2... Okay, we can't even make any more scrap spikes than that. No spikes in that. Okay, let's kill this guy. What a miss. Ow, come on, guys. What am I doing? Okay, let's go ahead and put skill points into agility. Well, not agility, but stuff into agility. We'll do that. And we are going to do From the Shadows once again. We need to get the sneak going. Okay, let's shut the tree down real quick. Let's get another wood spike, and then we're going to do building blocks. Eat this can of stock. We will drop the beer. As much as I don't want to, we'll drop the beer. Okay, and start it up again. Oh, that's a smart play. Holy crap! That scared me. I'm not gonna lie. That scared the shit out of me. Okay, we're gonna shut this door, and then we're gonna run up here because of these two chickens here. This is so good. Got so many feathers, dude. This is great. Okay, let's make 7 of those. Okay, we should start being able to transition into iron arrows. And we got a lot of food from that, which is great. Okay, they're coming up. Right? No, that's from the outside. There's multiple chickens. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, come up, lady. Almost fell down the hole again. Okay, let's go up. These chickens should be bound up here. Okay, one of them jumped down. They should just be stuck against that fence. Yep, I already saw the head. Okay, then we're gonna pump this skill point into another. I believe we got another skill point, right? Yeah, we did. Okay, we're gonna do whirlwind. Okay, we got tons of chickens. This is crazy. Tons of feathers, tons of food, tons of bones. Okay, metal chain mod, don't have enough knockdown power. Learn to craft a metal chain. Rid of that, eat the can of stock because again, our food is not going up right now at all. Even after the grilled meat, so. Let's repair that. Let's go ahead and crack this crack in the book. And let's see what we got. Exploding arrows. Not quite a rocket launcher, but will do. It will do. Craft exploding arrows and cross bolts. That is good. Okay, I'll take the splints just because I don't think, or the cast, because I don't think you can take the casts. Dude, oh my gosh. I keep doing that. Sorry guys, this is a little embarrassing, I'm not gonna lie. Whoa, where'd you come from? Oh my gosh. That actually made my heart jump. Holy crap. Dude, what the frick? Holy crap, dude. Whew. Where the fuck did she come from? That was actually a little wild. We're gonna collect this for the stone. I did not know there's food cans back here. So let's please get a soup. Let's get a soup. Soup. No. It's not bad though, I mean, I guess. Gave us another food magazine. Alright. This is gonna seem very brokey of me, but we need the wood. Come on, lady. Okay. Let's get out of here. Okay, those chickens should still be there. Right? No, they're gone. That's fine. We got tons of chickens anyways. You're not dead. There's a chicken over there. Okay, if I get the shot, I'll collect the chicken. Wow. Alright, collecting the chicken. Is that on the inside or the outside? It was on the inside. Oh, it was a chicken. There's the chicken from the building. Dope. Okay, I don't think we need to gatekeep the iron arrows anymore. I think we're good to use those. Do we have lockpicks? We don't. Do you guys think I can make it? Come on, one more. Okay, alright, fine. I'll let the chicken live. What a miss. Okay, that was a shot. And got a loot bag. Okay, vehicle books. I think we got any of these. Yes, we did. Okay, guys, I will meet you back over at the traders. Alright, guys, welcome back. We are at the traders. I think we'll level up from the XP we'll get. Welcome, wrecked.
Good after. Well, you proved me wrong. Now take your reward and get the
Okay,
hell out of here.
we should get that because stealth, use the cover of the night to inflict more damage to your prey, do 10% more sneak damage at nighttime. Okay, actually, that, I thought it was just damage in general. It's either, we really need that for Horde Night, but I think we'll do Night Stalker for now. Okay, we'll do the
I'm gonna
gas
make
station
you
'cause it's
just
closest.
stand there. Take a look, but don't expect me to
Sell
hold
that.
your hand through it.
Yeah, we need that for our pistol, so we're not selling that. Do you have any cobblestone? No, you don't. Alright, you have contact grenades now? Okay.
Oh,
Still
you
nothing
want a
good. Alright,
guarantee,
let's
huh?
burn
Well,
a
maybe
skill
you should
point
try
into... I think
Shamwood.
this just, yeah, more extra sneak damage. Okay, again, we'll do the whirlwind. Okay, let's go. We'll do these 2 more quests, and then we'll probably move on to collecting resources, because we really need to start doing that. At least the wood. We need more wood. We have plenty of stone. We need wood. I don't even think I need the stones anymore to deflect zombies at this point. Let's read that. Let's go ahead and make these. I think I can make a forge now. Let's check it out. Yes, I can. Alright, we'll do that, and then we'll place that up in the attic here. Let's go ahead and get rid of the shovel, dump that, read that for the XP, and get the torches, and let's go ahead and place these so everyone can see. Put a torch there, and then we'll put a torch here. Alright. So, now, our forge is done, and then, okay, you'll place your forge, I don't want to place in the middle of the floor, that'd be kind of annoying, so, hold on. Living in an attic is not doing us better. Let's do that. That works. Let's go. Alright. Let's put the torch there. Wrong. We'll put the torch here. And upgrade that so we don't accidentally pick it up. Okay, cool. And then we're gonna get some clay. The iron smelting in it. Actually, we got a bunch of coal, so let's not use the wood. Okay, we can cook grilled meat. We're gonna cook grilled meat, and then we're gonna leave now before screamers show up. It's the last thing I'd want. Okay. Okay, guys, since the quest is right there, we'll just hop on over. Let's kill the zombie. Yeah, it's that passing gas right there. Oh, I still love 7 Days to Die Rain. So nice. I don't think there's actual lightning bolts, right? I'm not just missing that. Okay, we're not gonna double loop because, well, it's a passing gas, guys. Come on now. I only wanted to double loop that place because I had roosters. Let's shut that door. Never mind. Let's not shut that door. Shut that. I was hoping I could sneak peek the zombies. Okay, good. We got one to come out, not two. Okay, we'll shut that door. We don't want anything following in. Got coffee. We'll drink the coffee because our water is down. Okay. Drink the water. Take that. Okay, we're not gonna go back there yet. Take that for the decoration. Is there anything else we want for the decoration? No. Alright, we're good. Wait. Charging station. Oh, we'll come back here. Now. Hey, aloe seed. Okay. Round flashes. We're collecting round flesh for the farm plots. I don't want to go around having a search on the floor, but I'm probably going to anyways. Ooh, okay. Take the building blocks. You know, I've never been in this POI before, shockingly. I don't recognize this POI at all. Oh my gosh. What the hell? I keep getting jump scared. Scrap that. Okay. More 762. Okay. Now, since we have that, as much as it's not really that much of a buff, we're gonna now read this skill books with that, or at least try to remember, because I fail at remembering every time. Now let's see, I almost did it. Let's wear this. Read. I don't know, I think it may be actually kind of pointless. I think I'm gonna sell it, actually. Now that I think about it, it's only 5%. What's the chances you're gonna land on that 5%? Not common. It's too much effort for too little reward. Okay, we should make at least 3 repair kits. Okay, can we make those repair kits from here? Yeah, we can. Alright, cool. Make another duct tape. Make the 3rd repair kit. Go ahead. Do that. Boom. Alright, cool. Let's go. Let's get out of here. Again, I don't want screamers showing up. Especially because I don't think they're going to be regular anyways. They're going to be ferals. And I got the forge, torches, and the campfire going. So, best bet's to stay away from it in general. Alright. Here again, wrecked.
Happy hour ain't happy unless you bring me a beer.
I dropped a beer.
Didn't
I'm
we
sorry,
agree
buddy.
your first job was going to be free?
5% better, well,
like a
meld
bear.
into the shadows and sneak 5% better at nighttime. We're gonna take that.
You better take
Clear
this
zombies.
deal.
We'll do that.
Disappoint me, and
Then we're gonna
you'll
go
find
ahead
buy
and
or
sell,
buy.
sell, drop, sell. No, we'll keep the 762.
A
Everything
sale
else we'll
is a
keep. Alright,
sale, even if it
so
is to a
we're gonna get rid
scumbag
of
like
this,
you.
put that up there, because I don't think we're gonna need that anymore. And then we'll bring that down. Let's go ahead, craft at least 2 more spike traps. And then let's do... I think that's all we're going to do for now in this area. We are going to move on to strength. We're going to start doing packing mule since it's actually useful now. Alright guys, I will meet you at the next job. Alright guys, welcome back. We are here at the quest. We'll take these. Get polymer too. Take the nitrate and the bones. Doesn't give much rotten flesh. Okay, we got 2 zombies incoming. Yeah, we'll collect the resources in a minute. Okay, they're gonna break through there. Okay, they're gonna break through there. Alright, let's just run. Oh, it's just 2. Okay, never mind. Alright, see guys, we are hungry now. Good thing I started cooking that meat back at home. Otherwise, we'd have a problem. Well, we might have a problem when we go back anyways. What? I'm not even gonna... I don't know how he hit me, but he did. Yeah, actually, let's rebound our health. Well, not our health, our stamina real quick. Let's hop up. Food. Ugh. I was, again, really hoping for a stew or something. Okay, maybe a stew in the wood crate? No. Alright, cool. One room, well, room clearing. 1 room at a time is how you conquer an urban building. Take 5% less damage and deal 10% more damage indoors. That is great. Eat the can of stock, even though it does, like, nothing. It gives more water than it does food. And search is popping pills. Popping and pills. I'll take that for when needed. Other than that, I think that's it for this building. Already cleared and done. Alright, I'm gonna collect this and then I will see you at the traders. Alright, we are back at Rex once again. Another successful trip.
Listen, you son of a bitch. If you ain't out the goddamn door when I close, I'll shoot you for trespassing.
Really, bro? One day I will be more rich than you ever will be.
Well, look here, boys. We got ourselves a real-life hero, and now he wants to be paid.
That's actually a pretty crazy response after what I just said. We'll do the cook's residence.
Standing there for you hungry or something?
But for now we are going to collect supplies after this. I don't really have much to sell this time around. Do you have any food I can buy? Ooh, okay, good. We'll take that. And the hot dog.
Be careful out there. You wouldn't want to get hurt.
Alright, just because we're going to be doing that, we're going to go ahead and get Mother Load in. And let's go ahead and eat. We're going to eat the chili dog. I'm just going to do that. Pray we see their heads and shoot them. Alright. Okay, we're gonna switch to the stone arrows for this. Guys, come on, I just wanted to collect some more loot. Well, not loot, but resources. Wow, guys, what a mess. biggie, bro.
Thank God it's almost closing time. I've had enough bullshit for one day.
See, guys, that is why packing mule is going to be great. Let's go. Alright, guys, we are gonna go ahead and make 100 iron arrowheads. And then we're gonna drop everything off, and then I think that will be our episode. Because I do not want to be mining at nighttime, well, not mining, but collecting resources at nighttime, because for the sake of ferals, I think that would be bad. So, we're going to just relax for the night. Today went well. I'm very happy about it. And I will see y'all in the next episode.